Hi, my name is Sam. Let's learn together.
Sam, a new week starts today.
New week?
Yes. There are 7 days in the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Today is Monday.
7 days of the week. Monday.
On Mondays, we play football.
Football. I like playing football.
On Tuesday, we will go swimming.
Tuesday, swimming?
Sam, what would you like to do on Wednesday? Maybe we can play tennis?
No, tennis is not for me.
Sam, what are our plans for Thursday?
On Thursday. Hooray, boxing!
I'm so looking forward to Friday. We're going to the mountains and we'll stay there for 3 days. As soon as we arrive, we'll go skiing.
Friday. Skiing.
On Saturday, we'll go snowboarding.
On Saturday. Snowboarding.
And on Sunday, we'll play hockey.
Ice hockey. It's going to be a great week. My favorite days of the week are Monday and Thursday. I love playing football and boxing. What is your favorite day of the week? See you in the next episode. If you liked the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's learn together.